Welcome to this lesson on horizontal and vertical lines. So horizontal and vertical lines have special graphs, slopes, and equations. So let's look at horizontal lines first. So a horizontal line is going to be horizontal on your graph, of course. It's going to have a slope of 0. So remember when we talked about slope, if you're trying to ski and you are on flat horizontal land, you're going to be going 0 miles per hour. You won't be going anywhere. So a slope of 0. And the equation for this line that I have graphed is y equals -2 because it's going through -2 on the y-axis. So a little mnemonic device to help you remember that is HOI, which stands for horizontal, a slope of 0, that's what the O is, a 0 slope, and it's always going to be y equals a number for your equation. Okay, for vertical lines, of course it's going to be a vertical line on your graph. The slope for a vertical line is undefined, and remember that's because I'm rising, but I have no run. I'm running a 0, so remember rise over run. And if I'm running 0, you can't divide by 0. That's going to give me an undefined slope. And it's going to be the equation x equals the number. So since this is going through 3 on the x-axis, it's x equals 3. All right, so the mnemonic device to remember this is bucks. So vertical line, it's undefined, and it's x equals a number. So I would write those on the notes, HOI and bucks. That's going to help you remember the difference between horizontal and vertical lines and their slopes and the equations for those lines. All right, let's go ahead and go over some examples. So number 1 says a graph x equals 2. So that means it's going to go through 2 on my x-axis. So I would find that first. It's going through 2 on my x-axis. And since it's x equals, it's a vertical line. Remember, bucks, it's vertical, it's x equals a number, it has undefined slope. Number 2, y equals -4. That means it's going through -4 on the y-axis. So it's a horizontal line. Remember, HOI, horizontal, it has a slope of 0, and it's y equals the number. And then number 3, x equals -1, so it's going through -1 on the x-axis, and it's vertical. All right, and then in the next 3, the graph is already done for you. We want to write the equation of that line. So number 4 is a vertical line. That means it's going to be x equals a number, and it's going through 2 on the x-axis, so it's x equals 2. Pause the video and try the last 2 by yourself. All right, number 5, you should have written y equals 2. It's going through 2 on the y-axis. And then number 6, x equals -3. All right, you can stop the video now and complete linear equations, review all.